In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use Replit for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, use the built-in chat assistant, preview your web app, publish it, and share it with others, all from your browser. First, head over to replit.com. Replit is an online coding workspace so you can build and run projects without installing anything. Once the site loads, you'll see a clean interface with options to create or open projects. If you already have an account, great. Being signed in helps you save your work and come back to it later. Next, look for the chat box in the interface. This is Replit's AI assistant, and it's incredibly helpful. Type a clear prompt describing what you want to build or change. For example, you can say you want a simple landing page, a Python script, or a Node.js server. The more specific you are, like mentioning colors, features, or frameworks, the better the suggestions and code it will generate for you. Below that, you can choose the platform or template that fits your project. Pick something like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a front-end site, Python for scripts, or Node.js for a web server. Once you've made your selection, click Start. Replit will scaffold the project and set up your workspace in seconds. Now go inside the project. You'll see the file explorer on one side, the code editor in the center, and a console or output panel. This is where you'll write, run, and debug your code. Make a small change to a file to get comfortable. Then use the Run button to see your app in action. When you're ready to review your web app, use the preview pane that opens alongside your code. This live view lets you verify that everything looks and works as expected. If everything checks out and you're ready to go public, click Publish. Keep in mind that publishing a web app on Replit requires at least a core plan. If you don't have one, you can still keep developing and testing privately until you upgrade. If you need changes, return to the chatbot on the left panel and describe what you want updated. Maybe new styles, a bug fix, or added functionality. The assistant can propose edits and generate code. Read its suggestions carefully before applying them to ensure they match your goals. Finally, to collaborate, click Invite. You can share your project with teammates, control their access, and work together in real time. This is perfect for pair programming, code reviews, or quick feedback. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.